Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna test out and try out a bunch of new makeup products from RENEÉ Cosmetics. They sent out a whole collection of their makeup products as well as their brushes in PR to me. So I was very excited to create a nice makeup look using only RENEÉ Cosmetics, and this is the look that I came up with. Honestly, I absolutely loved the outcome. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look using all RENEÉ Cosmetics, then please do continue watching. Before I begin with the makeup, I cleanse my skin using the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This is suitable even if you have sensitive skin types, and it doesn't rip off the moisture away from your skin and maintains the pH level and gets rid of the dirt and impurity away from the skin, and it is super mild and gentle. To moisturize and to prep my skin before makeup, I'm taking the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion, which I absolutely love. So I'm applying and massaging the product all over the face, and this is gonna act as a beautiful pre-makeup base, and it also provides a lot of hydration without making your face oily. Now I'm going to prep my skin further. For that, I'm going to take the RENEÉ Cosmetics Face Gloss Illuminator. This is basically like a serum kind of a product which has illuminating particles in it. So I'm just dropping the product on the main areas of my face and blending it out, and as you can see, it has tiny little golden shimmer particles in it, which helps in creating that glowy base, and it is also infused with hyaluronic acid, so it provides a lot of hydration on the skin. To prep my lips, I'm using this super cool product from RENEÉ. This is their Madness pH stick. So it's like a black lipstick, but when you apply it on your lips, it turns into pink, which is so cool. I did see Kirti Suresh applying this product on her lips on her Instagram, so I was blown away by this product, and it is really very nourishing and moisturizing on the lips, as well as it provides a beautiful pink tint. Now I'm going to lay out a base on my eyelids. So I'm going to take this face-based concealer from them, and this is in the shade Caramel, and apply it all over the eyelids, as well as use it to carve out my eyebrows. Here are the bunch of makeup brushes that they sent out to me, basically their whole collection, and they are amazing, super soft, luxurious feeling brushes, and this is how they look like. They come in this black handle, and they are just amazing quality, you guys. So first I took this foundation brush, which has a very unique sort of a geometric cut to it. It has two different sides, so I use one of the sides to blend out the concealer. Now I'm going to take this 3-in-1 eyeshadow stick sort of a thing. So this is called their Fab 3-in-1 eyeshadow. Basically it has 3 different eyeshadow crayons in it. You can push them from the underneath to reveal another color on top. So I use the reddish shade on my eyelids on the outer corners, and it's very creamy and easy to blend on the eyelids. I just let it sit there just like that, and then moved on to the powder eyeshadow. So this is the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette, which has really beautiful warm toned eyeshadow colors in here with a mix of shimmers and mattes. So I'm taking the shade called Tan on this beautiful and fluffy blending brush and applying that all over the crease and blending it out thoroughly. As you can see, this shade is a very warm toned color, so making sure that it is well blended, and these eyeshadows are buttery smooth. They reminded me a lot of the MAC eyeshadows. Then I took this beautiful rose gold kind of a shade on a flat eyeshadow applicator brush and applied it on the eyelids except the outer corners, and they are very silky smooth shimmery finish eyeshadows. I really like them. Then I'm taking the shade Pearl Gold, which is a lighter champagne gold kind of a color, and just popping that on the inner corners of my eyelids. Then I took the shade Merlot, which is a beautiful plum toned eyeshadow. So I took that on this tiny little eyeshadow packer brush and applied it at the very outer corners of my eyes to add a bit of smokiness there, and making sure that the edges are blended as well. For foundation, I took their very newly launched face-based foundation in the shade Coffee. This is a very lightweight sort of a foundation. I'm using their foundation brush to apply and blend the product. However, this is their last darkest shade in the foundation range, which I am not really happy about, because as you can see, it's a bit lighter on my skin tone, although I managed to tone down the foundation shade using the compact powder later. But this is how the foundation shade looks like. I wish they come out with more darker and deeper shades, because it's such a beautiful lightweight satiny dewy sort of a foundation. Then I took the face base concealer to conceal and highlight the rest of the face as well, and again I'm using the foundation blending brush to blend out the product. This concealer is again a very lightweight sheer to medium coverage kind of a concealer, and it blends like a dream and extremely lightweight and comfortable on the skin. To set and bake, I'm using the face base loose powder. This has to be my favorite product from RENEÉ Cosmetics. So I'm just using that underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, and a little bit on the chin area and around the mouth area to set and bake. It's such a lovely silky smooth powder. I really loved it. I also smoked out the lower lash line using the plum shade and blowed it out using the terracotta shade using a tapered brush. I'm using this beautiful colored eyeliner from them to add a nice pop of color on the eyes. The brush tip is super precise and allows you to create such beautiful winged eyeliner, and the color is to die for. It's such a beautiful royal blue color and I absolutely loved it. Now to set the rest of the face, I'm taking the face base compact powder, and this is in the shade Deep Beige. I really fell in love with this compact powder because it is so silky smooth, has a velvety matte finish, and the color match was bang on. This kind of took away the lightness of the foundation and just managed to pull my base makeup together, and really I loved the finish of the powder. It's like none other. And yeah, it just made my skin look absolutely smooth and blurred out, almost like a filtery effect on the eyes. I also applied these RENEÉ Cosmetics false eyelashes, and this is in the style Natural, I guess. I'll put the exact style name in the description box. Moving on to the face, I'm going to take their blush duo, and this is their Peachy Pink blush duo. So I'm going to use the Pinky Mauve blusher, which is again matte. I'm using the blush brush to apply the blusher on the apples of the cheeks as well as in a sculpting way to give my face a nice lift. The blusher was a really nice pigmented blush, so it goes a long way, and really loved how it looked on the cheeks. Now finishing off the look with this tiny little matte lipstick. I love these lipsticks. I have used them in the past as well. They are very comfortable and smooth on the lips. So this is in a beautiful mauve pink shade, and it's called Castle of Nude. However, it's not a nude, it's a very pale mauve kind of a color, and it paired very well with the makeup look. Then on top of that, I'm using the this is called their See Me Shine lip gloss, and this is in the shade Pucker Up Beach, which is a vibrant peachy color. I just applied it on top of the lipstick just to tone down the pinkiness of the lipstick, and this lip gloss was so nice. It smells delicious as well. I really love it, and it's super thin and comfortable as well. And here is the final finished makeup look using all RENEÉ Cosmetics. I really loved the outcome in the end. It's a very beautiful, fresh kind of a makeup look with a nice pop of blue on the eyes. I love the compact powder. It has to be my absolute favorite, and after that it has to be the loose powder. It's also really amazing. I have been using the powder non-stop. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Make sure to hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. This is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.